Hey, I'm Andrew, and if this is the first video you're seeing from my channel, then special welcome. Now, on this channel, I am documenting how I am building my YouTube business while working a full 9 to 5 job. Well, it's not easy, but let me give you some context. You see, I started YouTube almost 3 years ago, and I feel like there is no better time than now to start documenting the honest process. And the reason for this is I don't want to take the approach of doing this after I'm successful, or let's say after I achieve somewhat of the goals and the dreams that I want. And so I think that this is the perfect time. You see, almost 3 years ago, I started my serious YouTube journey. I've tried YouTube back when I was living in Jamaica, and I created my first YouTube channel playing FIFA. And when I moved to Europe, I thought to myself, should I continue with that? And I even bring my Xbox at the time from Jamaica to Europe and say, okay, I will continue because now I have an opportunity. But, soon after I start to work back in 2015 while living in Europe, I said to myself, this may not be the path that I want to take. And so I have stopped. I said, this will not work. Fast track a few years ago, I started again, but I started to make, let's say, those motivational style videos. And while those channels quickly became monetized, they also quickly became demonetized. And so I will not go into why those channels get demonetized at the time, at this moment, but I will surely share with you as time goes by all the mistakes, all the success that I have learned over the years. And so you see, guys, I feel like this is the perfect time to document and to share my YouTube journey as I build my tutorial business. Because after so much trial and failure, I have restarted my YouTube journey 3 years ago. And since then, I have also learned and discovered so much. And while I am having some success at this point, I've also started other channels which are still in their infancy stage, and I feel like now is the right time to start it. Not after I become successful, but now I feel like it's the perfect time to document my journey because I'm still learning, I'm having some success, and I'm still working a 9 to 5 job. And I feel like this is the perfect time to document and to share my journey while working a 9 to 5 job, not after I finally managed to go full time. And so I hope that my approach of documenting my journey honestly of how I'm building my YouTube business while working a 9 to 5 job will resonate with you guys. Now, I just want to be clear, who is this channel for? If you're currently working a job, 9 to 5 job, or whatever it is, this channel is mostly for people who are professionals, right? Working a 9 to 5 job or working some kind of job, but feel like I would like to get started on YouTube. Whether it's going to be in a tutorial business or any other niche, you will be able to apply this in your life and you will get value from this channel. But I just want to be clear that my model is building a tutorial business. And so if this is something that you will eventually find valuable and useful, then I'm sure that you will get the most value out of this channel. Now, I want to stress this point. This is not a get rich quick scheme. As I said to you, I've started YouTube over 3 years ago, seriously, let's say restart my journey. And since then, there's a lot of hard work, dedication, and time that I've invested in this. And as I said, I am still growing, I am still building. I am no guru who is going to tell you that, hey, I'm going to make you a millionaire. But what I've learned over the years and all the mistakes that I've made, I'm here to show you all that I've done and to share those ideas and also to show you behind the scenes of how I'm building my business honestly and give you ideas and tips as well so that if you're interested in building a business like this, you will not make the same mistakes that I've done in the past. And trust me, boy, oh boy, I've made a lot of silly mistakes. And just to share with you how some of those mistakes I've made is crucial in my growth, I could have already reached further than where I am today. And so I want to save you from some of these headaches some of those cries that you could potentially have if you're currently in your YouTube journey or just want to get started. Then I'll be sharing with you honestly how to approach your YouTube business. So guys, on my channel, I'll be sharing with you the real lessons that I've learned, the mistakes that I've made. I'm going to share with you my systems that I'm currently using. And I'm also going to share with you the decisions that I've taken and also the decisions that I will be taking in real time, or let's say in my current journey, to achieve the goals that I have set out for myself going forward on YouTube. And I would say one of the most important thing that I'll also be sharing with you is the emotional side to the business, especially while balancing the YouTube business, the full-time job, and also family, because this is also important. So if you're a person who have your family, this you will definitely find loads of value within this channel. Because for myself, I currently have a wife, I currently have my son, and hopefully you'll get to meet them at some point somehow in my videos. But there's also serious importance that I have to take in finding a way how to balance all of this together. It's not easy, guys, but I've managed to do it, and I'm still managing to make this balance work for myself. And I want to share with you how you could also approach this if you're also a family person like myself. So as you can see, guys, I am no different from many of you guys. I'm not perfect. I don't have the perfect life. I'm not the millionaire on YouTube. I'm just a regular guy who started YouTube maybe just 3 years before you get started. I don't have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I don't even have 20,000 subscribers on my best performing channel. And I also have a few other channels that I recently started or restarted. But I'm also achieving success on YouTube, which you would be surprised in some cases. I'm also having success on YouTube, and I would like to share with you the journey of how I'm balancing this with my full-time job. And of course, most importantly, that you will find value within this channel. So if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, or if this sounds similar to your current position or your current life right now in YouTube, whether or not you just started a YouTube channel, or you're thinking about starting on YouTube, not sure what to create, or you simply just, or you may have your idea but don't know how you can possibly approach that while working a 9-to-5 job, then I think that you will find some value on my channel. With that said, guys, I thank you guys for your time, and I really hope that I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys, and have a good day.